Welcome back to the Low Tad Lounge, everybody. And we got an exciting unboxing today. At least I hope it's going to be exciting. Which you can already guess what we're going to unbox because you've already seen the thumbnail, you've already seen the title, you clicked on the video, you know what we're doing. We're going to open up an Evolving Skies ETB. Now, we've opened up this same ETB sometime last year, but we never got Moonbreon from it. We've opened up a decent amount of Evolving Skies packs. Still haven't found Moonbreon. Are we going to have a chance to find Moonbreon in this ETB? Well, we have the chance, but we got to do it. So, let's just get right into it. Evo Skies, you know what we're looking for. Let's go find it. And whoop. Don't need that. That was a little bit louder than I thought it was going to be. There's our book that we don't need. There's the lid. There's the insert. Well, now I'm getting attacked. You've seen this stuff before. We've got the damage counters and the roll dice. We've got our poison burn counters that we don't need. We've got dividers. We've got an energy brick. We've got a code card. And we've got the sleeves. But this right here is what we're really wanting. Let's start ripping. And let's pray that this ETB has what we're looking for. Because if I pull that Moonbreon out of this ETB, I could successfully retire. I feel like I saw an edge already, so we might have something in here. Oh, know what? Probably just a basic V. Oh, nope. It was just the reverse holo. I mean, if I have to, I'll just be happy with what I get as long as I don't have it. But I do have like half of the Evolving Skies set. So chances are, most of what I get out of this ETB, I'll probably already have. We did get an Avalon. Man, nothing. That's not a good start. It gives me not a good feeling. We don't need that Tropius. I'll go ahead and say that this ETB was not at regular retail price of $45 at Walmart. So we need it to be good. I saw an edge, so at least we'll have something. Yeah, that's a V edge, I'm pretty sure. It's the Flareon full art. Alright. That's the wrong evolution, but I'll take it. The CTV came from Matchstick. It's my home. It's where my friends are. It's gotta have the magic, right? Hey, there we go. There's a low tad for us. I can't be upset at a low tad pull. We did get a reverse holo Salamence though, so that's pretty cool. Alright. Pack number something. Hey. Well, we got the Umbreon, but it's just the basic Umbreon. Oddly enough, I don't think I have it. Alright, we got 2 packs left. We really need to hit that Moonbreon V. Hopefully. Hopefully. You got anything for us here? Well, there's an Eldegoss. The last pack. We really need it to be magical. Rayquaza, I know I'm not a member of Team Sky, but I really need you to be magical and bless this pack with that Moonbreon. Cutiefly, Hitmonchan. Hey, another low tag. Sableye, Teddiursa, Crystal Cave, and an Altaria. I almost said Politoed. Palpitoad, Shopping Center, and Herdier. Well, we did get the Umbreon V, but it wasn't the Umbreon VMAX Alt Art, unfortunately. And we got a Flareon V Full Art, so that's kind of cool. And we got 2 Lotads, so at least now they'll be at home in the lounge. Well, everybody, I guess that's going to bring us to the end of another video, and once again, to the end of another failed Moonbreon hunt. But I ain't giving up. One day, Moonbreon will get pulled right here in this very spot. I don't know when. It could be 5 years from now. But one day it's going to get pulled. Or I'm just going to finally cave and buy it out of pocket. I'd rather not do that. I'm not looking to spend $500 on a card at the moment. But if I need to, I may have to. But we'll cross that bridge when and if it comes. And if the money is in my bank account. Hope you all enjoyed the video. And until the next time I see you, you all take care.